So this is just a quick video to show you how to change your thumbnail. So for instance, you have one thumbnail or you didn't put a thumbnail and you want to include your thumbnail now. So you go to your YouTube studio. I'll go to the video that I want to change the thumbnail for, and I'll just click on the icon to edit it, and you'll just scroll down to where the thumbnail images are. You have options here. Select the option and it's going to change. That change will come up. You hit change, then you select the thumbnail image of what you want it to be, and there you have it. It was uploaded. Changed it here. So you'll have a new thumbnail, and when you finish, always remember to save the change or the changes. And the thumbnail was changed. Quick and easy, nothing difficult. Alright, see you in the next tutorial.